Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Sharp SPC1225 LED Digital Alarm Clock Instruction Manual. Overview. 1. Night light. 2. Alarm on-off. 3. Alarm set button. 4. Time set button. 5. Snooze button. 6. Hour set button. 7. Minute set button. 8. Light on-off. 9. EM indicator. 10. Alarm indication. Functions. Connecting to the power supply. Begin by plugging the power cord into a standard household outlet as indicated. The display will flash indicating the tune is ready to be set. Setting the time. Setting the alarm. Using the alarm. Using the snooze. Using the night light. Battery backup. Warnings. Battery warning. Care of your clock. Digital alarm clock. Safety instructions. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.